Hey guys, welcome. So if you're using CapCut and are facing a lot of issues, then you can use Proton VPN for fixing that up. So you can see I have CapCut over here, and a lot of time it do not load the different kind of filters, effects, and transitions due to some regional issues and you can say like regional restrictions. So you can use Proton VPN to connect right to US or the best areas which support CapCut fully, and you can click on this quick connect option, and you can see just after waiting for a couple of seconds it is going to be connecting, and boom, that's how you got your VPN up and ready. You can see all of the statistics going on, and once you have now your CapCut up and running, you should have all of the effects working. So that's how to use it for your CapCut for better transitions, effects, and different kind of other panels that are going to be missing inside CapCut should be showing up. So I hope this helps. See you in the next video.